US welcomes India emerging as a leading global power and its role as a net security provider in Indo-Pacific region. News in detail. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken spoke with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Tuesday, during which they discussed the situation in Myanmar and issues of mutual concern, according to a State Department spokesperson. Blinken spoke with Jaishankar to reaffirm the strength of the US-India partnership and to discuss issues of mutual concern, including the situation in Myanmar, State Department spokesperson Ned Price said in a readout of the call. During the call, Blinken expressed concern over the military coup and the importance of rule of law and the democratic process in Myanmar. The Secretary and the Minister also discussed regional developments, including the value of US-India cooperation across the Indo-Pacific. Both sides look forward to expanded regional cooperation, including through the Quad, and to address the challenges of COVID and climate change, Price said. After Joe Biden was sworn in as the 46th President of the United States on January 20th, the two governments have established contacts at the highest level, with Biden and Prime Minister Narendra Modi having spoken over the phone on February 8th. This was Blinken's second phone call with Jaishankar after he became the top American diplomat last month. The two leaders first spoke on January 29th. Meanwhile, State Department spokesperson Ned Price at his daily news conference described India as one of the most important partners of the US in the Indo-Pacific region. The Biden administration also said that it welcomes India's emergence as a leading global power and its role as a net security provider in the region. India is one of the most important partners in the Indo-Pacific region to us. We welcome India's emergence as a leading global power and its role as a net security provider in the region. Responding to a question, Price said the US-India Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership is both broad as well as multi-phased. We'll continue to engage at the highest levels of our government to deepen cooperation on many fronts, and we are confident that the strong and upward trajectory of our partnership will, in fact, continue. India and the US cooperate on a wide range of diplomatic and security issues, including defense, regional cooperation in the Indo-Pacific, counter-terrorism, peacekeeping, the environment, health, education, technology, agriculture, space, and oceans. The two countries also work closely in international organizations and welcome India joining the Security Council in the last month of this year for a 2-year term. The United States also remains India's largest and most important trading partner, with total bilateral trade increasing to $146 billion USD in 2019. US companies are a large source of India's foreign direct investment. Price also highlighted the people-to-people ties, which he said are broad and important. Across this country, nearly 4 million Indian Americans call the United States home, contributing in their communities and proudly serving their country in uniform. News Desk, Karma News.